Are you dating a man and you really like him, but you are worried if he's trying to use you or play on you? Well, then this video is just for you, and I will share 9 signs that prove that he is just using you or you are being played by him. This video will confirm whether you are just overthinking things or if he is really playing with your feelings. So, stick till the end of the video while I'll share the top 9 signs that you are being played. During the initial honeymoon phase of any relationship, people often overlook the red flags in their partners. Maybe they were blinded by the love or ignored the weird behavior of their boyfriend. If you are observing any signs that seems dangerous, please don't be in denial mode as it will only result in heartache later on. Before I begin with the video, do you want to learn how you can awaken a man's most secret and powerful desire to earn your love and eventually make him obsessed with you? This will make your man miss you like crazy and he will get serious for you. If you think your man is just playing on you, you should definitely grab my ebook. I have personally written this ebook where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and only you forever. By implementing the techniques in this ebook, he will fall in love with you gradually and get completely mesmerized by your personality. Not everything can be shared on YouTube and other public platforms, and that's why you can download this ebook for free only for a limited time. The link to this free ebook is in the description box below. So, here are the 9 signs that proves that he is just using you. Number 1, he makes plenty of excuses all the time. If he makes any plans with you, he will often cancel it at the last moment, saying he forgot about something or he had to go somewhere. Yes, I understand that something can happen and people have to cancel plans at the last moment, but if he's serious about you, he will make sure that he reschedules that meeting and make up time for that cancelled plan. Also, he can make excuses with regard to something else in life. Number 2, he hesitates to make plans or commitments. He only calls you to make plans at the last minute. He will call you and say that he misses you and wants to meet, but he will never plan a proper date for you. He will say that he is always busy at work, but then he gets time suddenly and calls you at the last minute to meet. If I put it in simple words, he will have plenty of time to meet you for sex, but just no time to go out on dates, long drives, or travel. Remember, no matter how busy a man is, if he considers you and the relationship a priority, he will make time for you. Number 3, he keeps you a secret on social media. Does he avoid posting pictures of two of you together on his social media? And if he's otherwise active on social media, like he regularly posts status and pictures, I really recommend you discuss this with him. New couples are excited to share their pictures on social media. They are excited about their future together and like to share their happiness online. If this is not happening in your situation, you should really ask why. Number 4, he consistently doesn't return your calls or texts. When a person is excited to talk to his partner, he will definitely call her or at least text her. He must be eager to stay in touch and communicate regularly. I am not saying that he has to return your calls immediately or within a particular time frame, but he must call you back when he gets time for himself. If he is consistently not returning your calls or replying to your messages, it's a huge red flag. Consistent communication is how relationships are formed and get stronger. Number 5, he acts nice only when he wants something. Is he acting nice only when he thinks he will be able to get something out of it? Is he being nice only when he knows that it will benefit him in some way or he can hook up for sex? This is a major red flag. Number 6, he gives you mixed messages. In any relationship, we communicate simultaneously at two different levels. One level is what we say, and the other level is what we do. Usually, anyone's verbal and actual behaviors convey the same message. But if your man is saying one thing and acting in some other way, there are problems with that kind of behavior. It gets very hard to understand and trust someone who is saying something but acting differently. It hurts even more when these mixed messages come from someone you love. If the actions don't meet the words, it's time to reevaluate. Number 7, he tells you that he doesn't want a serious relationship. Does he say that he doesn't want a serious relationship as he's afraid of a heartbreak? Well, I can understand that people are cautious with relationships, especially when they have been hurt and devastated before. So, it's always better to learn from past mistakes and take things slowly. But at the same time, if he thinks he has met a special person, he will ensure to put in effort and time to keep you in his life. Number 8, he is always about the hookups. He will always wake up after you both have been intimate and ask you to leave when you are in his place. If he's at your place, he will never want to spend the whole night. Does that sound like your man? This behavior proves that he doesn't want to spend time with you and just wants to have his wishes fulfilled. I think it's time for you to kick him. Number 9, your intuition tells you something's wrong. If deep down below you feel that something's wrong with your partner, you are probably right. There must be a solid reason that you are constantly noticing red flags. It can be that you are in denial mode and refuses to believe your intuition. If you start to place the pieces of the puzzle together, your suspicions will definitely be right. Remember, intuition is your best friend and you can never ignore your best friend's advice. If you can spot any one or multiple of these 9 signs in your relationship, it's time to talk to him and decide what he wants. Convey your demands and needs and the way you want him to treat you. You have to stand up for yourself, and I have many videos on my channel which can help you with this. Also, I would recommend you to become a confident, independent, high-value woman that no man can take for granted. A high-value woman can never get cheated as her man is mesmerized by her personality and character itself. Get instant access to my ebook for free to become a high-value woman in just 21 days. Along with the book, there are videos and training tutorials that reveal the darkest secrets of love and obsession that you would never hear from any dating coach. Grab the ebook and videos from the link in description below. How many of these signs did you notice in your boyfriend? Do you want to add anything to this list or want to share any of your experience or views on this topic? Feel free to comment down below and I will definitely try and get back to you. Please share this video with your friends and family who you think should get to know these signs. Your one valuable share can help them save their life and relationship. Make sure to subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more interesting videos on relationship and dating advice. See you in the next video. Keep supporting.